They say, she doesn't care, just move on. But what if the truth is the complete opposite? What if the silence you're encountering isn't a sign of confidence, but of fear? She's not ignoring you because she has moved on. She has quiet because she has waiting. Waiting to see if you're still caught in her game, still desperate, still chasing. But today, that cycle ends. If you're watching this, it means you're done being played and wasting energy on someone who feeds off your reaction. Welcome to the ultimate guide on mastering silence, the pure, calculated, controlled silence that becomes your greatest power move. This is how you flip the script, make her question everything, and walk away with your power, self-respect, and dignity intact. This is far beyond relationships. It's about life, control, power, and respect. At the heart of it all is one thing: how you react when someone tries to test you. So, relax, focus, and prepare, because by the end of this video, you will never chase anyone again. Before we dive deep, drop a comment below saying, "I will never chase again," to cement your new mindset publicly and personally. Why silence matters. Every day, millions fall into the same trap. Someone they care about pulls away, grows distant, and suddenly everything changes. Phones become obsessions. Every message, every pause, every silence is overanalyzed. And every time, the same pattern repeats, they react. This reaction is the exact problem. Modern relationships often revolve around power dynamics. The moment you react, you surrender control. The moment you chase, you lose value. Showing how much their absence affects you gives them all the leverage. That's why the most powerful people in business, relationships, and life never react impulsively. Instead, they observe, adapt, and when tested, they do the one thing that changes everything. They go silent. Number 1, she expects you to react. When she pulls back, delays reply, becomes cold and distant, and suddenly unavailable, it's a test. Maybe she stops sending good morning texts or making plans, yet still watches your stories and makes sure you notice her out having fun. She's waiting for a crack in your self-control the moment you ask, "What's wrong?" That moment is her win. Your reaction tells her she's still in control, that she hasn't lost you, and confirms she can keep playing. Most men break. They obsess over their phones, overanalyze every interaction, panic at every silence. They reach out first, double text, apologize unnecessarily. But this only fuels her disinterest. Women only play these games with men they haven't decided on. Men they don't fully respect, men who need their validation to feel whole. The second you show you need her approval, it's over. Number 2, your silence breaks her control. Silence is terrifying. It forces self-reflection, something many avoid. When you go silent, you flip the power. She starts checking her phone more than you, scrolling your old conversations, searching for where she lost her grip. She may act indifferent, posting pictures, going out with friends, but deep down she's waiting, hoping your silence isn't permanent. When you don't take the bait of her casual, vague texts, panic sets in. Now she's the one feeling powerless, unsure if you're truly gone. But most men fail here too. They reply instantly, thinking the moment she reaches out is the moment she's ready to come back. It's not. She's testing her ego. She just wants to know you're still there. The strongest response? Silence. If she truly wants to come back, she'll show genuine effort and regret, not breadcrumbs or vague signals. Silence creates doubt, and doubt makes her chase. And by the time she chases, you're already gone, focused on you, your growth, your confidence, no longer needing her presence. Number 3, she starts to doubt herself. She once believed she had all the time in the world, that you'd always be there, waiting. But as silence grows, a creeping doubt begins, almost invisible at first, then growing. Curiosity turns to tension. Tension turns to fear. Fear she miscalculated, assumed too much, lost control. Nothing shakes a woman more than realizing she might have lost something valuable. She thought men were predictable. She expected you to chase harder, but you didn't. You stayed silent, removed your presence, gave her the unknown, and the unknown is the most powerful force. Obsessing over unanswered questions, she compulsively checks your social media, your online status, new photos, new connections, new energy. She might not reach out directly, but she's thinking about you. Her friends, once sure you'd come back, now start to question it too. The power has shifted. She starts replaying every interaction, searching for where she went wrong. Number 4, when she tries to pull you back. When she realizes she might have lost control, she panics, but won't admit it openly. No long emotional texts, no apologies, those would mean giving up power. Instead, she tests you with subtle signals, liking an old photo, sending vague texts, commenting randomly, maybe accidentally sending a message not meant for you. The weak man pounces, thinking it's a sign she wants him back. The moment he reacts, she pulls away. It was never about you, it was about control. She needed proof she still had power over you. If you don't react or play her game, she escalates, sending longer messages, bringing up memories, posting indirect triggers, even talking to other men just to provoke a reaction. Your win? Complete silence. No reply, no validation. You become untouchable, no longer her emotional safety net. If she was never truly invested, she'll leave for good. But if she regrets losing you, if she realizes she made a mistake, she won't send breadcrumbs. She'll show up, fight for your attention like you did for hers. And when that happens, you hold all the power. You choose if she's worth a second chance. Number 5, mastering emotional detachment. Everything changes the moment you detach. Stop seeking approval, stop chasing, stop proving your worth. Detachment is true power. It separates those who live on their own terms from those reacting to every emotion around them. If you don't master this, you'll always be the guy waiting by the phone, anxious over her silence, wondering what went wrong. She will move on living unbothered, while you're stuck second-guessing and hurting. The brutal truth: you don't need to win her back. You don't need approval to feel worthy. Letting go takes back your power. Women don't chase emotionally weak or desperate men. They chase strength, certainty, a man who doesn't need them. When you stop needing her, you become rare, a challenge, the man she regrets losing. You'll be the man she compares every future guy to, the one who walked away and never looked back. The power you gain. When you stop seeking external validation and realize you already have everything you need inside, the world shifts. People respect you differently. You're no longer an option, you're a choice. The man who controls his emotions controls every room he enters. That's true power. This mastery of emotional detachment affects every area of life: relationships, friendships, business, and social interactions. People recognize your value and won't want to lose you. In a world full of the chasing, the desperate, the validation seekers, you will be untouchable. This isn't just about dating or relationships. It's about reclaiming your life, your emotions, your respect, and your power. If you're ready to become untouchable, to take control, and to never need validation again, subscribe now. Support this channel and help millions break free from the mindset that keeps them weak. Before you go, comment below, "I am untouchable." Write it, type it, own it. Because from this moment forward, that is exactly who you are.